Subscribe now. Acer has been busy over at the BETT show in London, revealing a pair of new Chromebooks aimed at students, with one targeting families in general, two, alongside a fresh Chromebox. Acer's Chromebook 11C732 is aimed at the education market and thus made to take some knocks in the classroom. It's IP41 certified and drop tested to 1.22 meters, with a spill-resistant keyboard designed to survive the ravages of a knocked-over drink. This notebook is also compliant with MIL STD810G testing and benefits from a reinforced case and hinge to make it a tougher customer all round. Speaking of the hinge, this opens to 180 degrees, allowing the portable to be laid flat on a desk, which will be handy when students are collaborating together on a project. Powered by an Intel Celeron processor, either a dual-core N3350 or a quad-core N3450, it's a fanless laptop, so nice and quiet, with optional 4G LTE connectivity if you want to benefit from mobile broadband when on the move. The device can cater for up to 8 GB of system RAM, and up to 64 GB of ink storage. The Chromebook 11 can be configured with either an 11.6-inch IPS touchscreen, or a non-touch display of either the IPS or TN variety, both with a resolution of 1366 by 768. Acer is claiming a battery life of up to 12 hours, and in terms of physical connectors, there are two USB Type-C ports, along with a pair of USB 3.0, and a microSD card reader. The Chromebook 11C732 goes on sale in April with prices starting at $405.